Welcome to the top best. The best Molly wall anchors is probably one of the most essential tools in any DIY enthusiast's arsenal. These ingenious fasteners are designed to provide a secure and reliable hold in hollow walls, making them perfect for hanging pictures, shelves, or anything else you can imagine. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding how to use Molly wall anchors can save you time, effort, and a whole lot of frustration. Number 5. T.K. Molly Bolt Hollow Drive Wall Anchor Screws. Introducing the T.K. Molly Bolt, a heavy-duty solution for your hanging needs. This set is designed for use in thin or hollow walls, providing a secure and reliable hold. These anchors are perfect for drywall, plasterboard, and other board materials. They are suitable for both internal and external applications, offering flexibility for various projects. Constructed from high-quality materials, this set ensures long-lasting durability. You can rely on it to withstand the test of time and provide consistent performance. This set is ideal for a range of applications, including radiator brackets and kitchen or bathroom cabinets. It provides a strong and stable base for your fixtures. The kit includes a variety of sizes: M8*22, M8*34, M8*46, M11*36, M11*50, M13*50, and cavity interset anchors. It has everything you need to tackle different projects. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of sizes, making it incredibly versatile. It's perfect for various applications, from kitchen cabinets to radiator brackets. If you have diverse mounting needs, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Product worked very well and the anchors were solid on my stucco. Easy to use, and pretty simple. My house is made with hollow walls, so these really help with anchoring stuff down. Big bonus with some unusual hardware like the hooks and angle hangers. Number 4. Glarks Molly Bolt Anchor Screws Kit. Introducing the Glarks Molly Bolt Anchor Screws Kit. This kit is designed for heavy-duty applications, providing a reliable solution for various hanging needs. The kit includes 42 pieces in 6 different sizes. This variety ensures you have the right anchor for the job, making it convenient for different projects. These anchors are made of high-quality zinc-plated carbon steel. This material provides excellent rust and corrosion resistance, ensuring the product's longevity and reliability. The heavy-duty design of these anchors provides a strong bearing capacity. When installed, they expand to securely grip the wall, ensuring safety. Perfect for drywall, plaster, and tile, it is ideal for hanging curtain rods, lamps, and more. This kit offers a versatile solution for a wide range of projects. What we like. Made from zinc-plated steel, this kit provides excellent rust and corrosion resistance. It's designed for long-lasting performance. If you're looking for durability and reliability in a convenient package, you should consider this one. What people say. They are easy to install and tighten down. Purchased the tools separately, and the fasteners works great for mounting curtain valances to my RV wall panels. Great wall anchors, very strong, and very well built. Number 3. Mr. Penn Wall Anchors and Screws Kit. Introducing the Mr. Penn Wall Anchors and Screws Kit, a complete 100-piece assortment. This kit includes 50 plastic anchors and 50 screws, everything you need for your mounting projects. The anchors are made of high-quality plastic, ensuring strength and durability. The screws are made of metal, providing the hardness needed for secure hold. With this kit, you can easily hang mirrors, curtain rails, and more. It's perfect for various wall surfaces, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. The kit comes with a clear plastic organizer box. This keeps the screws and anchors neatly sorted by size, making it easy to find what you need. This Mr. Penn kit is designed to give you a clean and professional finish. It ensures your projects look great and are securely mounted. What we like. This kit includes high-quality plastic anchors and metal screws, ensuring a clean and seamless finish. The organized box keeps everything tidy. If you like a neat and easy installation, this is the perfect solution. What people say. These wall anchors are made with top-notch materials, ensuring they are durable and long-lasting. They are super easy to install and require minimal effort, making them the perfect solution for anyone who needs a quick and easy wall fix. They come in various sizes and types, making finding the perfect fit for any project easy. Number 2. Glarks 60 PCS Molly Bolt Drywall Anchor Kit. Introducing the Glarks Molly Bolt Anchor Kit. This kit is designed for secure and reliable hanging solutions. It's perfect for various applications. The kit includes 60 pieces of heavy-duty anchors in 3 different sizes. They come neatly organized in a durable plastic box, making storage and selection easy. These anchors are made from high-quality zinc-plated carbon steel. This provides excellent rust and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance. The heavy-duty design of these anchors allows for strong bearing capacity. They expand when installed, providing a secure hold in various materials. Use the anchors for hanging curtain rods, lamps, and more. They are ideal for drywall, hollow block, plaster, and tile, offering a versatile solution for your needs. What we like. This kit is made of high-quality zinc-plated carbon steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. If you need a reliable and long-lasting solution for hanging items, this is a great option. What people say. You're not drilling into a stud. This is probably your best bet rather than the cheaper plastic insert expandable type. Perfectly fit my needs, needed to anchor grab bars in my wife's shower, where the wall studs were oddly spaced. Worked wonderfully. I'm at TaskRabbit so I use these in my kit, they work. Number 1. Hilitchi 122-piece Drywall Anchor Kit. This kit is designed for various mounting needs on drywall and other surfaces. It provides a practical solution where standard fasteners fall short. With this, you can easily hang items. The set includes plastic self-drilling anchors, molly bolts, and toggle bolts, along with self-tapping screws. It's a complete package for your installation needs. This comprehensive kit has everything you need. The plastic anchors feature ribs to prevent spinning during installation, ensuring a secure hold. This design feature makes the installation process more reliable. It prevents the anchor from turning. Molly bolts with pointed ends can pierce drywall with just a hammer. This simplifies the installation process, making it quick and easy. It's a user-friendly design. These toggle bolts are ideal for hollow walls and masonry applications. They offer a strong and reliable anchor point. They are perfect for various projects. What we like. This set includes a variety of anchor types, including self-drilling options, for easy installation. It's perfect for mounting a wide range of objects. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Great variety of sizes. Works as expected. The whole kit is very useful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.